Okay, so now we're going to talk about the standard deviation of the residuals identified with the letter S. Okay, remember standard deviation is typically how far on average your data values are from the mean. Well, since we're not dealing with means, we're dealing with least squared regression lines. Your S is the standard deviation of your residuals. It's how far on average your observed Y values are from your predicted Y values. Okay, so in this case, how far on average Michaela's observed golf scores are from her predicted. Okay, now if you notice, some of them are above, okay, and some of them are below her least squared regression line. And this is just a rough example. Some of them are actually very big. Some of them are very close to being on the regression line. Okay, but again, this is just an estimate. Okay, but how far on average are these little spaces vertically from the line? Okay, the least squared regression line. So the formula is pretty easy. Okay, for what we have already written, it's the residuals squared. And what's nice is my residuals are all in the L4s. Okay, so in order to get to the first part of this formula and have it completed, all I have to do is take the items in L4 and square them. Okay, so that's what L5 is. Okay, so remember to get L4, it's just the seconds and then the 4, and then you're just going to square it. Okay. When you do so and hit enter, you get this list of numbers, and hopefully that matches. And what we're going to do is we are going to add these up, okay? Because that's what this symbol means here. It's your summation sign, so we'll add everything up in L5. Okay? When you do that, okay, we will do so by just doing stat. We'll go over 1 to calc. And remember, it's 1 var stats, L5. Okay. And then we look for this symbol, okay? And that symbol is going to give me a value that is 7.71968. Okay. All right, and then we got 2 steps left. We have to divide by n minus 2. There are 10 coordinates. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is, in this case, 8. Okay, so we will divide by 8. And so let me do that real quick. 7.71968 divided by 8 is 0.96496. Okay, and that's basically everything that you see in here. Okay, and the last step we'll do is we will square root that answer. Okay, and that will give me my S. So once you square root this guy, it is 0.9823. Okay, so in a general sense, that's how far on average your data values with respect to your Y's, okay, are from your least squared regression line. It's how far on average your observed golf score is from your predicted. Okay, very good. If you have questions, you let me know.